Hello, this is Elaine Shader with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this double Z-fold card with the Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick stamp sets and bundles. Isn't this fun? So this card opens up to reveal this really fun scene of all these fun chickens. This is so fun. So Hey Chick was a Celebration stamp set from a couple of years ago that they have brought back with dies. So really amazing dies that have tons of extra dies. So tree stumps and corn stalks and a barn and a sign and chicken wire and corn and just all kinds of things. Of course, dies to cut out all three chickens and this little tiny chick right here, and just amazing dies to go with Hey Chick. And then it coordinates with the Hey Birthday Chick stamp set that's in the mini catalog. And they have dies to go with this stamp set now too, and both are available in bundles as well. And these dies have some extra fun dies too, like this little fence and this streamers and happy birthday and this sack of flour or sack of barley or whatever this sack is full of. And a little bow tie, that's so cute. I should totally use that. And of course dies to cut out all the little chickens, the fun chickens, the chicken with the funny hairs back. I love that chicken, that's my favorite chicken, although he's pretty cute too. And then some fun confetti. I just love this stamp set. So let's get started. So for a double Z-fold card, you need a regular 4 1/4 by 11, and you score it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2, and then you fold mountain and valley to create the first Z-fold. The second piece I did is 1 1/4 by 11, and you're going to score that at 5 1/2 and 8 1/4. And it is going to go the opposite way. So you are going to place it with the longer side first and then the two short sides second. And it is also going to fold mountain and valley like this. But first we're going to do some decorating before we place the second Z-fold part on. So we're gonna get some sky and some ground. So for sky, I thought balmy blue would be good. So we'll do some balmy blue. So we'll get some balmy blue on there. And this is just 5 1/4 by 4. And then I've used the In the Woods dies to cut this little slope. So we can create some grass. And then I've done another one that I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to cut it so that it fits on both pages there. So it's going to be 2 1/2 and 2 1/2. So I'm just going to grab my mini cutter. Love my little mini cutter. So we'll just do 2 1/2 and 2 1/2. And then we'll attach those. And then after we do that, we can attach the second part of the Z-fold. So this part we're only going to attach in certain areas. We're only going to attach this portion right here, and we're only going to attach this piece to right here. That's it. So I'm going to only put adhesive right here, and I'm only going to put adhesive right here. And I'm going to line everything up, line this fold up here, and line these edges up right here. And that is what creates the double Z fold. So you've got this Z fold and you've got this Z fold right here. So that's the double Z fold. So now we're gonna decorate this scene. So we've got some fun things to decorate with. We've got some chicken wire that I used to decorate along here. So I cut out 4 pieces of chicken wire. And then we've got a fence. Cut out some pieces of fence. And then this one kind of goes down there. And then I've got 2 little signposts that I'm gonna stamp. And of course I've got all my chickens. And I've got my little stump and my little egg. And I've got my corn stalks. And I've got 2 barns because I'm gonna cut the tops off of the barn and the door off of the barn too. So I'm gonna get to gluing. Okay, I've got everything assembled. I got my corn stalks and my barn and all my chickens on except for this last little chicken. This last little chicken, I kind of made him pop up. I did a little pop up on him. So I used a little piece of cardstock to do that. I should do 4. Okay, so I have everything assembled now, and I've got my chickens on, my cornstalk, my barn, and so now I just have this one little chicken with the crazy hair left, and I'm gonna pop him up on this little 4x1/2 inch piece here, scored at 3, 2, and 1, and I'm just going to put some adhesive on the two ends, and I'm going to pop this little guy up next to the side here. So I'm just going to put this inside here. This one I did only 2 inches, and this time I'm gonna do 1 inch so that it sticks out a little bit more. So I'm just going to place this. I'll show you when I finish, but I'm going to place this inside here like that, little box, and that way I can place my chicken on the little box with a little dimensional right about there. And then I have my crazy haired chicken hanging out, and I gotta move this chick over a little bit so you can see the crazy haired chicken. Got those 2 chicks, but I want to see my crazy haired chicken, and this one's blocking the way. So we'll put my crazy haired chicken on. We can see when you open it up like that. So that works. Except he needs to be a little bit higher. But that still works. So there you go. There is the double Z-fold card Barnyard scene using the Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick bundles. So fun, so cute. I'm gonna fix this one right here because the adhesive, maybe I should use a glue dot, but the adhesive keeps coming off. There we go. So much fun. I love these bundles. Stay tuned for more. I'm offering a card kit, which includes this fun card. So it is this card, this around the world birthday card. How cute is that? And this pull tab card. You pull it and the top flap opens to reveal inside a little message. Isn't that cute? I love cards that you can pull. So it's a pull tab card. So just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and place a $30 order using this February hostess code, and I will send you this card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Hey Chick card kit. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.